Yo guys, it's Ricky and today we're doing a dope B-boy routine. Now this is part 3 of the routine, so what we'll be doing is we'll be recapping part 1 and 2 and then we'll get onto part 3 and be able to dance that full routine today. Now don't worry if you haven't learned part 1 or 2 already, you should be able to pick it up in today's class, but if not, I'll have linked in the description part 1 and 2, so at the end of the video you can jump on that and give it a go, yeah? Okay, so jump yourself up, make sure you got lots of space and let's get straight into the routine. Now from this point forwards, the video will be mirrored, so when I say right leg, it'll be your right leg. When I say left leg, your left leg, and so on. So you'll be able to copy exactly what I say and do to make it a lot easier, yeah? So, what we'll do is we'll recap the first 4 counts of 8, and then we'll get onto the last 2 counts of 8 and a 4, which is where we end up and finishing the routine, yeah? So, if you have learned this should be a breeze. If not, concentrate, focus, you'll pick it up. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We start with 2 jumps. Jump to the right, jump to the left, punch out right, punch out left. We're hitting a farmer, right leg kicking forwards, in, out, then you step that left foot in, step it back, step right foot up to your left knee, and your arms are coming in, step that forwards, then we're hitting 2 back rocks with that left leg, 1, 2, and then you're going to turn around to the front, yeah? So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, right, left, punch, right, left, farmer, 1, 2, 3, step in, step up, and hit, turn around to the front. Nice. From there we go Indian step, starting on right leg. So 1, 2, 3. Left leg 1, 2, 3. And you're hitting a double with your right leg. So you're 2 hops. Then 2 hops as left leg comes up. And you bring that down, hit your position, pose anywhere. And you're going to hit technically a spin in 3/4. Kind of like a double spin. And you're going to bring your arms up to here. Spin, drop down, pick it up and zip up. Yeah? Nice, let's go again and we'll keep moving. So 5, 6, 7, 8, jump right, left, punch right, left, farmer, 1, 2, 3, step in, step up, and hit, turn around, Indian step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, double hop, across, double spin, turn, drop down, up. Nice, from there we Indian step forwards, 1, 2, 3, you're going to drop down, and then come up and hit any position, here, here, here. And that's the 4 count of 8 marker. So from there, we'll move on to the new stuff, cool? So let's recap that, and then we'll get onto the new choreo. So 5, 6, 7, 8, jump right, left, punch right, left, farmer, 1, 2, 3, step in, up, step in, turn around, Indian step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hop, across, double spin, turn, down, up, Indian step, 1, 2, 3, drop down, hit your position. Nice. Okay, so from here we're going to drop down to the floor, so this is the new choreo. So we've just finished out our Indian step, drop down, come up. What you're going to do is hop on left foot and tap right hand down. So hop on left foot, tap right hand down, keep that left hand behind your back. Then you're going to hop on right foot, bring left leg up, and bring your left hand down. So hop on right foot, left hand down. And from here, you're going to hit a pin drop, so you're hopping on that left leg, arms crossed, the right leg comes up, you drop down into pin, we're going to hit a pin drop switch. I did teach this in another tutorial, so you kick out, and then switch your legs around, and then from here, you're going to bring that right leg out, back to a neutral, so you're back central in your floor work, yeah? So we'll go through that section again. So we just finished your 1, 2, 3, Indian step, drop, up, you'll hop onto left, with right hand down, hop onto right, with left hand down, you pin drop, so you're going to hop, pin drop down, that's right leg coming in behind left. You then kick your legs out, switch, so left should be behind right knee. You swing that right leg out here. Then you're going to double kick out to the left, anything with your arms in, double kick out to the right, anything with your arms in. Then you're going to walk out to the left, so you're going to go right, left, and then bring that right foot out. Boom. And we've got like 8 counts left. We've got like a few more, so we're nearly done, yeah? So let's just recap that new choreo. So we've done 1, 2, 3, drop down, up, you'll hop onto left with right hand down, you'll hop onto right foot with left hand down, pin drop, so hop, bring it in, switch them legs, bring that right foot round, back to neutral, and we double out to the left, double out to the right, you're going to walk out, and then bring right foot out. Now if you haven't done much breaking floor work, buckle up for the ride, this is going to be an interesting one, but this will challenge you, this will be good, you'll enjoy this. So from here, you're going to hit 2 CCs, so you're going to bring left foot up, back down, left foot up, back down. From there, you step left foot over, step right foot to the back. You're going to drop down towards the front. You're going to jump up your left foot, is coming across your right knee, your right foot is coming up behind, your right hand coming here, your left hand behind here. Now obviously you can change your arms, but if you want set arms, those are the set arms there, yeah? So you've just done your step over, step back, drop down, you're gonna jump up, left foot over right knee, right foot up, here, drop it out to here, and then zip it up to there, yeah? Now that jump might be hard if you haven't done it before, but just go for it, you'll get that, yeah? So, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna recap that whole routine. So nice and slow, from start to finish, to make sure you've got all the details, yeah? So from the start, nice and chill. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, right, left, punch, right, left, farmer, 1, 2, 3, step in, step up, tap, tap, turn, Indian step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, double, hop, hop, across, double spin, turn, down, up, Indian step, 1, 2, 3, hop, pin drop, switch legs, right leg out, and double out, double, double, walk it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, right leg out, we CC, CC, step left leg over, right leg to the back, drop down, jump it up, out, zip it up, nice, okay. If you're struggling with that, rewind it back, clean it up, or you can watch the first one when we dance it with the music next, and dance the next 2 with us, yeah? But let's go 3 times with the music, let's go. Okay, let's go, 3 times with the beat. So I'll count us in all the times, lots of energy, lots of power. Let's go, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Get up, pack it in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk, you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, touch the ceiling, monks, let's a funk flow. Someone's fucking junk, yo, I'll bust them in the eye. And then I'll take the punks out, feeling funky. Amps in the trunk and I got more rhymes than this cops that are dunking. Donut shop, sure enough, I got props from the kids on the hill, plus my mom and my pops. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around.
Hey.
Jump around.
Nice, 2 more. Okay, let's go, 2 more times. Now don't worry about getting the choreo right. Doesn't matter if the choreo's right. Energy and enjoy the routine. That's what it's about, yeah? Let's go, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Get up, pack it in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk, you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, touch the ceiling, monks, let's a funk flow. Someone's fucking junk, yo, I'll bust them in the eye. And then I'll take the punks out, feeling funky. Amps in the trunk and I got more rhymes than this cops that are dunking. Donut shop, sure enough, I got props from the kids on the hill, plus my mom and my pops. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around.
Hey,
Jump around.
nice. One more time. Okay, here's the last time. So make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy this routine. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought of it. I'll count us in. Make this one a good one. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Get up, pack it in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk, you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, touch the ceiling, monks, let's a funk flow. Someone's fucking junk, yo, I'll bust them in the eye. And then I'll take the punks out, feeling funky. Amps in the trunk and I got more rhymes than this cops that are dunking. Donut shop, sure enough, I got props from the kids on the hill, plus my mom and my pops. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around.
Hey, nice. Okay, that was fire. Well done. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Click here to visit the channel. Here to jump straight into your next one. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.